One day, Adam and Serene were given a project to test an experiment for the three states of matter. The three states of matter are solids, liquids, and gases. In a solid, the particles are in ordered arrangement and are closer together. In a liquid, the particles move freely and are close together. In a gas, there's total disorder. The particles move freely and they're far apart. Before their experiment, they decided to use chocolate. They felt chocolate would be easy to display all three states of matter. Our first question was to see how chocolate could be turned into a liquid. Through the process of melting, when something melts, heat is transferred and the kinetic energy increases. The molecules move apart and enters the liquid form. Then we would question what would happen if the chocolate melted too long. We figured it would turn into a gas, so we waited. When we were waiting for the chocolate to turn into a gas, it finally boiled. When something reaches boiling point, the molecules gain enough energy to break free and become a gas, which explains why we see steam. When we saw the steam after the chocolate was boiled, it was easy for us to tell that it was turning into a gas form. We understand how chocolate can go through different phases of matter, but how do intermolecular forces work through the states of matter? In a solid, intermolecular forces are stronger. In the liquid state, the forces aren't as strong, and when they gain kinetic energy, they break completely and become a gas. Concluding with that, we came to another question. How about conduction of heat? Conduction is the transfer of thermal energy by the collisions of particles in matter. It works best in solids compared to liquids and gases because the intermolecular forces are stronger. So in this process, there will only be physical change that is happening to the chocolate, not a chemical change. The reason is because the substances are remaining the same. Once again, the reason it is a physical change is because the substances in the chocolate aren't changing or going through any chemical changes. The shape or look of the substance will be different, but is still chocolate despite its physical appearance. The chocolate has chemical and physical properties. This leads to the explanation of a physical and chemical property. A physical property are properties we can sense directly. They fall into groups depending on the sense used. A chemical property is a substance that is observed during a reaction in which the chemical composition or identity of the substance is changed. As we were finishing up our experiment, Serene had a question for me out of curiosity. She asked, what is condensation? Well, condensation is the energy-releasing process by which a gas or vapor becomes a liquid. So, for example, whenever rain is falling, or even when there's moisture in the air, it's still condensation even though you cannot see it. For the end of our project on the states of matter, we found a video that recaps all three states of matter and how they work. Hope you enjoy.
Solids are visible, which means they're able to be seen. Solids do not easily change shape. Mom and her fake lemons. Solids do not always have the same mass. Liquids are also visible. Liquids take the shape of their container that they are in. Not all liquids have the same mass. Some flow fast and others flow slowly. Gases can't always be seen, and gases fill up the entire container that they are in.
We hope that gave you guys a better understanding of the three states of matter. Now, this is the end of our experiment in our project. Thank you for watching.